If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. My God. Lisa, Born Again, featuring Doja Cat and Ray. I am speechless, actually. Oh, even the dogs are speechless. You hear them? Lisa. Iconic. I've been loving her solos. I've been loving all of Blackpink's solos. I'm waiting for Jisoo. I know her show's coming out too, and I can't wait to watch that. Maybe y'all might check it out on Patreon. Be sure to check it out. Only thing with Lisa is that my ish get blocked with Lisa, so you might have to go to Patreon. I will post that for free. All you gotta do is follow. But I'll do my best to edit this so it could be up on YouTube. Lisa, Born Again, featuring Doja Cat and Ray. Be sure to leave your comments down below and like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Let's get it. We're gonna be Born Again with Lisa. Do I need captions? I don't. Full English song, baby. Let's go. In 3, 2, 4 minutes. Damn, you feeding us today? You feeding us today, queen? All right, let's go. That was the end of the teaser. The clock. Oh, it's going back in time. I see. Transformation into a new woman who embraces her freedom to become the person she desires to be. Yes, babe. Oh, what did it say? It's like in different languages, right? Oh. Okay, symbolism. Okay, Miss Ma'am, hold up. What? Oh, I got chills. First of all, I'm a Doja Cat fan. Love Ray. Of course, you already know I'm a Lisa fan as well. But just seeing it all in one room is iconic. Bro, look at, okay, I'm sorry for talking. I know you guys hate me, but listen, it's my channel. You can watch the music video, link in the description down below. But coming from that collab with, like, wasn't she with Selena Gomez and Megan Thee Stallion in that one collab, and she was like green screened in, you could tell. But now with the featured artist this time, let's go. And there's a Blackpink World Tour announced. Oh my God. Oh, she talking. Please don't leave. Yeah. Okay, Miss Ma'am, sing it. Oh, a bounce beam. Yeah. Oh, bro, she is. Miss Doja. I got chills, y'all. Woo. Hey. Oh my God. I can't, y'all. Bro, what? We're 2 minutes in. 2 minutes in. Ass. I'm sorry. Oh. Like the Adam and Eve with the apples, but one, it's only, some are like yellow or light. Be Born Again. Oh, upside down tree, I just realized. Ooh, the visuals in Lisa music videos right now. My God. Oh, Ray's voice. Woo, girl. again, baby. Born again. Okay. Oh, she's killing. Ooh, that background vocal. Ooh, she in the water. Oh, that's such a beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. Damn. Iconic trio. Ooh, with the chainmail on Doja, the armor. Ooh. It's almost like an ode to the old school too. Born again, baby. Born again. Oh my God. Ooh. Bruh. This is so good. Born again. Bro, come on, bro. She's just slaying. She got Doja Cat and Ray on her side too. And they all shined. Like, it's not even just a feature. It's like a Lisa X Ray X Doja Cat, which that's what it is. Oh no, it's a feature, but it feels like a X. Like, you know, when you put like, instead of features, it's Lisa X Doja Cat X Ray. It felt like that. It felt full. Born Again. I just finished it right now. Oh my God. What do you go? Put in the comments down below what you guys think. I feel like I glaze Lisa a lot. I'm a fan of Lisa. I liked it since Rockstar, even though people be hating this, that, lyrics, that, this, that. I'm like, bro, it's a vibe. This is just an anthem, especially when you have Doja Cat and Ray. Come on, bro. Ooh. Woo. He looks so good too. Just broke up with my man. What? Broke up with my man like, Ooh. Icons. Ooh, the eye makeup too. Look at what you had. I'm about to make it hurt as I vroom vroom. Ice cold, how I leave you alone, but please tell your mother I'm a miss. Okay, Lisa. Ooh. What it's like. Ooh. Every single night. Ooh. That part right there too. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Hey, hey, hey. Ah. Damn. Damn, y'all. Damn, y'all. What is life? Just her voice, Ray's voice. She can sing though. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. That background vocals. Damn. What is life? Every single night. Damn. Iconic. Wow. I'm just in awe. What is happening ever since Blackpink left their label? YG, they just been cooking, bro. I'm talking about everybody. They've been cooking. Yo, put a comments down below what you guys think of Lisa's Born Again featuring Doja Cat and Ray. My God. Go check out the Patreon. It'll be up there as well. Full non-edited one. But yeah. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.